Hello students, good morning. Today's our topic is probability 3 problem solving. The first question is, one card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red card. As I told yesterday, the total number of cards are 52. These 52 cards are divided into two parts, 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Now, among 26 black cards, again these are dividing into 13 spades and 13 clubs. Again these 26 red cards are dividing into again two parts, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. So, you observe a king of red card. How many red cards are there? Two groups, 13 hearts, 13 diamond. So, everywhere there is in two sets there are two red cards. So, probability total number of cards are 52. Now, king of red cards is 2. Therefore, probability of a king of red card is equal to 2 upon 52. Second question is a face card. We have to find probability of getting a face card. So, we know the total number of cards are 52. So, how many face cards are there? I told you what are the face cards. Face cards are king, jack and queen. In each set there are 3 face cards. That is, there are 4 sets, 4 3s are 12. So, number of face cards are 12. Therefore, probability of getting a face card is equal to 12 by 52. Now, if there is a possibility, if there is any cancellation possibility, you can cancel. Next, probability of getting a red face card. So, a red face card means how many red cards are there? There are two sets of red cards, hearts and diamonds. In each case, there are 3 face cards. So, the total number of face cards are 52. So, number of red face cards is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. And probability of getting a red face card is equal to 6 by 52. And the fourth one is, we have to find probability of the jack of hearts. Probability of jack of hearts. So, in hearts, you observe, in hearts, the probability of getting a jack is only 1. So, total number of cards are 52. So, number of jack of hearts is equal to only 1. So, probability of getting the jack of heart is equal to 1 by 52. Now, probability of getting a spade. So, how many spades are there? Observe, there are 13 spades. So, again the total number of cards are 52. Number of spade cards is equal to 13. So, probability of getting a spade card is equal to 13 by 52. Now, number of queen of diamonds. We have to find probability of number of queen of diamonds. So, as we know, total number of cards are 52. Number of queens of diamonds. In diamonds, you observe here, in diamonds, how many queens are there? Only 1. So, number of queens of diamonds is equal to queen of diamond. Number of queen of diamond is equal to only 1. Therefore, probability of getting queen of diamonds is equal to 1 by 52. 1 by 52. The next question, a kiddie bank contains 150 paise coins, 51 rupee coins, 21 rupee coins, 22 rupee coins, and 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely that one of coins will fall when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be 50 pice coin? So you observe here the total number of coins are 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10, which is equal to 180. So total number of coins are 180. So how many 50 pice coins are there? Number of 50 pice coins. So number of 50 pice coins are 100. So probability of getting 50 pice coins is equal to 100 divided by 180. By cancellation we will get 2 5s, 2 9s, 5 by 9. Now second one we have to find will not be a 5 rupee coin. So total number of coins are 180. Not 5 rupee coin. There are 10 5 rupee coins. So not 5 rupee coins are 180 minus 10, that is 170. So probability of not 5 rupee coin is equal to 170 divided by 180, which is equal to 17 by 80. So dear students, if you like this video, please like and share my class. I'll stop this class. Thank you.